Ryan Central Productions.
He needs no introduction. He needs no publicity. He needs no promotion. He only needs you to give a big round of applause. I want to hear you say it one time, loud and clear. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3, burn!
I never really cared, I never gave a fuck. My thoughts getting worse, so I caught me a Dutch. I caught me a bag and I had to think fast. I done lost a lot of niggas, I don't wanna live my past. I don't wanna live the life that my soldiers done lost. I done seen the good die just for trying to be a boss. I done seen the realest die, wrong time he wanna floss. Everything got a cost, everybody got a mission. But take the time out, put yourself in our position, so you can tell the world what you sat here and witnessed. The struggles and the pain that my street niggas living. My niggas in the kitchen, my niggas on the block. I got niggas posted up, paranoid, selling rock, with the thought in they head that this shit gotta stop. They could die, go to jail, fuck around and get shot. Keep your eyes on the clock, time don't stop ticking. Fiends won't stop sniffing, Dutches I roll piffin'. They call me the mechanic, with the hammer I be gripping.
Cruising in the left lane, I'm close to the rail. Road trip like the split, bumping Vibes Cartel. With my ace, we go way back like Keenan and Kel. We both hungry for the money, which make us parallel. Another pickup from the city, we'll be back by 12. Depart in the morning cause at night the D's be hungry as hell. And stop you even if the light shining good on your tail. Number one rule, never let them see you act frail, because they quick to handcuff, then you end up in jail. It's so much ego against the black people, yet they wanna eat off us like big seagulls, and inject bad ways like used needles. Hit the car the repo, just because the color of my kick smash my decode. To my vehicle, look through the people to predict the outcome. Money and pussy, I'm in the middle like Malcolm. I'm still black and fly, yeah, so call me Falcon. I'm a wild one, but yeah, I'm mellow at times. Smoke a lot of kush, so my piss be yellow at times. So much connects, niggas call me Lego at times. That V6 make me feel the pedal at times. It's fast, I know.
He needs no introduction. He needs no publicity. He needs no promotion. He only needs you to give a big round of applause. I want to hear you say it one time, loud and clear. On the count of three.